I have the pleasure of welcoming Dr. ShikhaTayal today at the Dams studio. Talking of Dr. ShikhaTayal, let's also mention the rank she has achieved. She has achieved a rank of 18 in All India Postgraduate Dental Medical Entrance Exam for 2016. Wonderful rank, great performance, sparkling result. How are you feeling, Dr. Shikha, on this wonderful result?
I'm feeling very happy, relaxed, actually satisfied with my performance.
Well, I would say it's more than satisfactory. It is wonderful. Achieving a rank 18 in AIPG DME exam is definitely not easy for anyone. We come to the official and formal questions here. Let me ask you my favorite question, and a question that every aspirant would like to know the answer about is, how did you prepare for such tough exam?
I prepared throughout the year. I made a schedule, one subject, 1 week, I did like that.
So your preparation was more selective or more extensive?
It was very much extensive. I studied standard books. I opened all the standard books I could of all the subjects, and I saw the pictures, the important topics. I specially studied and made my own notes.
So that's very nice, because off and on, I take interviews from toppers, and most of them say that it was a mix of selected and extensive. But very nice to know that you were an extensive, hard-working student, and definitely that has paid you by helping you secure a rank of 18 in All India PG Dental Medical Entrance Exam. Dr. Shikha, please share with us, what is the role of DAMS in your success?
It was very much important. Actually, I was a test series student. The test series of DAMS is very nice. It is very informative. It is very test oriented, actually exam oriented, and it was very helpful.
So do you think that questions that are put up in the DAMS tests and as given as practice to the students, does they relate with the actual exam questions?
Yes, very much.
To what extent?
Actually, when I used to give the test, 200 questions like exam pattern, like the windows also different, it used to open in another window. Exactly, it used to give a test like feeling. In fact, when I was giving my AIPG also, I was thinking that I'm giving a I'm giving a DAMS test. And when I used to like get a rank, then I could compare my marks also with other top students. So I knew that where I was standing in the crowd, in all the people, all over India especially.
Well, that is what is the use of such tests that we conduct. That's very nice inputs. That's very valuable inputs you are sharing with us. One very important thing every aspirant would like to know is the time management while you are preparing, because time is the biggest constraint when you are preparing for a tough exam like postgraduate dental medical entrance exam. How did you manage your time during the preparation?
I made a schedule and I strictly followed it. So initially, in the initial months, I studied theory, main towards the standard books, and then questions I started doing different books of questions, MCQs. Then my notes I had prepared, I revised my notes. So you have to manage your time accordingly, that how much time you're gonna prepare, how much time you're gonna give to one subject. You cannot leave any subject thinking that it is less important. You should give importance to each and every subject and manage your time accordingly.
Well, that's very nice information here. And let me remind my listeners here, we're talking to Dr. ShikhaTayal, rank 18, AIPG DME exam 2016. Now, taking our discussion to the next level, we all know that DAMS is quite active on the online medium like Facebook. We have a DAMS exclusive club, then we have a DAMS cloud available to the Damsonians. Were you helped by these things?
Yes, actually when I opened my DAMS cloud, initially there are so many worksheets and different exam oriented things that helped me. I read less of worksheets, but whatever I read, it was very informative. And I am very thankful to DAMS club, especially it cleared all my doubts. The teachers so patiently answered each and every doubt, whether it was small, silly, big doubt or confusing question, controversial questions. Teachers always helped us with the doubts. So this was the most benefited part of DAMS. I would seriously thank again and again to this DAMS club and DAMS club.
Well, thank you very much for your kind words here. Dr. Shikha, just share with us that DAMS conducts a lot of tests during the preparation in our comprehensive regime that we provide to students. We also provide for the discussion of previous year's exams like AIPG, AIMS, and PGI, wherein the faculty would discuss the entire question with with the relevant answers and explanations. How were these useful in your preparation?
These were actually important during my preparation. I think if I wouldn't have joined the discussions, my preparation would be less in that case, because the teachers, especially Gaurav Verma sir, he used to teach the like osteomyelitis question comes, so he would teach the whole osteomyelitis in one go in just brief up with the diagrams, and especially he would tell all the relevant questions related to that topic. So in only in like 10-15 minutes, or in one discussion, you know about all the important topics and the questions related to that topic also. Very nice discussions and test series. I would say it is worth it.
That's very nice of you to have shared that with us. Now that you've mentioned about the DAMS faculty, let me ask you, which faculty influenced you most in DAMS?
All the faculty is very supportive, very patient, tells our doubts very patiently, and I think Gaurav Verma sir, Gaurav Ramchandani sir, and Ankit Gupta sir, these are very nice teachers. All the teachers are nice.
Oh, that's very nice to know as well. With the rank 18 in AIPG DME exam 2016, I know you can opt for anything you wish for, but it is customary, so I ask you which branch you wish to specialize in.
Well, oral surgery is my dream branch, but I'll most probably I'll be taking oral surgery or ortho if I'll choose from.
Okay, so we wish you all the best. Make a wise decision. In any case, all the public of India, all the people who are going to suffer in subsequent life with dental aches are definitely in safe hands with you becoming a specialist. Before we wind up this discussion, any message for juniors?
Yes, you should join test series if you're not joining the classroom course, and you should give each and every test very nicely, very religiously, and see where you stand actually. This way, because all over India, so many students give this test, and then when you get the rank, you know where you stand in all over India, and what are your weak areas, your drawbacks, so you can improve on those. The topics, the topics that okay, you're going wrong in that question. If you give the test series, and this is like you should give actually. I would suggest each and every student to give to take DAMS test series.
That's very nice to know, and it was very nice talking to you as well, Dr. ShikhaTayal, rank 18 AIPG Dental Medical Entrance Exam for 2016. Thank you very much for sharing all the valuable inputs here. We wish you all the best in life.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.